We're going out now. Is that okay? You want to come with us? We're going. We're leaving. We're leaving. Ah. He's chasing me. You ready to go?
Almost. I'm waiting for Windows 10 to finish the last week.
And how long is that going to take?
Look.
It's taking a bit long. That's really not very good. That's not a good sign.
Yeah, but I think it's our laptop is a bit in a heap. I think it needs to be.
Is that the technical term from the IT guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need to get some extra.
There's cat hair all over the camera. Yeah, so we're done packing in here in just about. We have a few more bits to go. So we're gonna go get some plastic boxes, seeing as they're half price. So.
Do we need to take the piano apart?
I don't know if I would be afraid that it's oh, it's quite sturdy actually. What do you think?
It's just I'm concerned about the pedals. Like it's.
It was quite easy to put together, so if you want to take it apart, that's okay.
I think mine makes sense too.
Okay, so home school, no, home store. Oh my god, I can't type with one hand. Home store and more. Okay, so they're having a sale on plastic boxes, so
we're gonna buy plastic boxes.
We're gonna buy plastic boxes for all the stuff in the kitchen. So I really don't want to put that. I really don't want to put that in wooden boxes or in wooden cardboard boxes. Okay, so let me just malfunction. Okay, so the large plastic box takes ages to. Okay, so the large plastic one, so 94 liters. What's that in?
What, in liters?
How big is that? Is that the same size as that one over there?
I have no idea.
You're being incredibly helpful. Thank you. So they're €9 down from €18. And it's a rolling container, so it's on wheels.
Okay.
So we're going to go get something to eat and then go? Or are we going to go then go and then eat? Or what?
Yeah, whichever way works better. I'm hungry. So.
You're hungry? Okay. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? You know why he doesn't respond? Because he doesn't speak English. Baru, hai fame? Hai fame? Avete fame, amici? Baru, vuoi la papa? But if I say to him, would you like a nice big juicy steak? Chicken, sausages. Papa? Whoa. Did you see his face? It's like... So this is a Polish sweet that I got. They were giving them out in work today. I don't work for a Polish company. I work for an American company. But there was... Somebody had been in Poland, I think, on holidays or whatever. And they sent back... Just because there's a cow on it. Just because there's a cow on it doesn't mean it's made of milk, okay?
Or steak.
Or steak. Well, he seems to think it's made of something like that. Thank you. So we're going to try it. I'm going to try it after dinner. I don't know what it is, but I'm assuming that there's milk in there somewhere because of the cow. So we're going to go get something to eat. Then we're going to go get the boxes.
Plastic boxes.
Yeah.
They are discounted.
Yeah.
So
I can't believe like this day next week will be like we're moving tomorrow.
yeah.
And it's just, it seems like no time has gone by between us signing the contract for the house.
Yeah.
Oh, we never sent the contract to the estate agent.
Oh, maybe that's,
That's
what we
probably-
need to do. We paid.
We paid for the house
Yeah.
for sure, but we just haven't sent back the contract
Yeah.
yet. Oh my goodness, we have to remember to do that. Yeah, so it seems like no time at all that we put the deposit on the house, and then all of a sudden we're moving in a week, and it's crazy. It's crazy. And then I had a phone call with a guy I work with. I have a weekly call with this guy, a one-on-one call, and he made me really teary because he was saying such really, really lovely things, and he was so nice, and he said, you know, just because we're not going to be working in the same company anymore doesn't mean that I can't help out. So if you ever have the professional needs for advice or anything like that, you come to me and you talk to me anyway, because
That's nice.
and I was like, thank you so much, you're so nice.
Oh,
And
you found your mentor.
I
That's great.
absolutely, he's just the most wonderful man, and I learned so much from him every time I talk to him, and I'm just so happy that he made that offer. So I said to him that he was asking about where we were moving, and I was telling him, and he said, oh, I'm googling it right now while I'm looking. He was like, oh, Cork looks gorgeous. So I said to him, Google Kinsale, that's quite near where we are.
Yeah.
So Google it. And he was like, oh my god, that's on the list. The next place I'm coming to when I'm coming on holidays. And I said, you'll always have a place to stay with us. And he's like, oh, thank you so much. He didn't offer the other way because he lives in a really gorgeous place. And I was like,
Hello.
come on, dude. Yes. What are you gonna go for?
I'm going to go for this
Naked
With-
dog.
crouch.
With sauerkraut. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go for this egg and onion. What? You just abandoned the trolley.
I am gonna bring you back.
You're so cute. I'm so happy with that. Okay, we have to try this selfie stick. Where is it?
In there somewhere.
Oh, I can't get it. Okay. Now it's totally naff. Oh. Selfie stick. Okay, so let me experiment with it. I feel really self-conscious with this. Like, put it there. Pretend we're not using a selfie stick. Put on your
Selfie stick.
Put on your we're not doing that in face. It's like,
My selfish stick.
okay, so we've determined that the selfie stick. What's that? Look at that big bug.
Where? Oh, look at it.
Oh, yuck. So we've determined that this angle is probably the best.
Oopsie.
What do you think?
Yeah.
But the only thing is now I'm not entirely comfortable with having a very sharp metal stick in my hand in the car.
In the car, yeah.
It's not really very safe.
No, it's not really safe.
It's a really, really nice evening. I know the clouds look really dark, but that's just the way the lighting is on the camera, but it's really nice. So we're heading back home after food and our shopping trip. So we couldn't find the boxes that we wanted, we couldn't find. So we had to get the 80 litres instead of the 95. I don't know if they were all sold out or something. And I managed to get a really cute box for my crochet. Oop, breaking, breaking, breaking. Ah. Yeah, so it's looking like it's going to be a nice evening anyway. It's nearly over, but
apparently the weekend is supposed to be dry.
Dry.
Yeah, mostly
Yeah.
dry. That's
Yeah.
what they say.
Well, we've had a really, really bad summer, if you can call it that. Now I know we're paying for it, like everything's lovely and green, and there's no scorched grass or foliage or anything like that. It still looks, everything looks really nice and green. But oh man, we haven't seen the sun in at least a week. We haven't.
Yeah, proper sun.
Proper sunshine, proper.
For a prolonged period.
Yeah. Yeah, so we haven't seen that for at least a week. So I know we're going to be in most of the weekend. We're going to be in packing. I was thinking about it today. We actually don't have that much to pack. I mean, all the Christmas stuff is already in boxes. Mostly what we need to tackle is our clothes.
Yeah, and the bed needs to be
Disassembled.
We'll have to call the Avengers. We weren't expecting more sun.
Weren't. Oh, look, he's up there. He's up there. And now he stops when I start. When I started recording, he stopped. And there's another one up there, look. They're lovely, aren't they?
Yeah.
So I think we're really fortunate that we have all these trees. But I think definitely in our new house we're going to have a lot more wildlife.
Yeah.
And there's some in that tree as well.
Yeah, something up there definitely. And I heard the cats going.
Oh, did you?
Mhm.
Okay, let's.
Get closer because they know we're here.
Who's in there? Hello. Hello. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Hello, kitty cats. Everybody's here to say hello. Hello, and let me out. Do you want to go out? Oop. You're tripping me up. Come on. Out you go. Everybody out. Hey. Okay, so let me turn on the light. Okay, so let's demonstrate the linguistic abilities of our cats, right? So ask them if they want food.
Do you want food? Food? Food.
Now, say the magic word.
Do you want papa? 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 Papa?
Oh, they're so clever, they
Papa.
speak Italian.
Oh. Papa. Papa.